It is time now for your Monday Mortgage Update. Zach Levesque, Director and Branch Manager of Home Point Financial, joins us once again this morning with details about the new Rhode Island Housing No Money Down program. Good morning, Zach.
Morning.
Always a pleasure to welcome
Absolutely.
you. Back to the Road Show. Interesting topic here today. This program, what do we really need to know about it?
Yeah, Rhode Island Housing has been around for a long time, and we try to educate consumers as much as possible and give all the details so that they understand what is expected and what they need exactly to qualify. And recently, Rhode Island Housing made a change. They used to have income limits, so you could only earn up to a certain amount to get into the housing program, which is a true no money down purchase. And we like to stress that because sometimes clients think that no money down doesn't mean no money down, but if the deal is structured correctly, they can also roll closing costs into the purchase as well. So it could be a true no money down loan.
So the nuts and bolts, the real nitty gritty of this, when we get right down to it, what do we need to know in terms of how, the steps of how it works?
Well, you know, the first step in home ownership is really calling us hopefully, but calling your mortgage person. From there you see what we qualify for, then you go to look at houses. But with Rhode Island Housing, it is truly every single property in Rhode Island. There is no income limits. You know, we do suggest people save up some money. Obviously, there's going to be some unforeseen things when you buy a home. Generally, you need a 620 credit score. You can go a little lower. Obviously, you need the employment to be there, and the debt to income ratio needs to work, but those are all things that we figure out. So, you know, a lot of people think that you need to save up 5, 10, 15, 20% for a down payment with housing. You don't. And it's our job to talk to you and tell you if you qualify, and then next step is starting to look at homes.
I think for people watching right now, they're thinking two things. Number one, Brendan and Zach look great. But number two, they're thinking, this is overwhelming. The things that he's saying, I'm not sure, I'm new to this, but that is really where you guys in Rhode Island Housing, you kind of work in tandem together with these people because you need to alleviate that stress and make them realize it can be a simple process.
Yeah, and it can be overwhelming, and it can involve, you know, if you have kids, changing school districts. But, you know, keep in mind, the analogy is like a doctor. You hurt your leg, you call a doctor. It's the same thing with housing. If it seems intimidating and you don't know the information, call professionals. We're professionals. It's what we do. We can then refer them to a realtor who's a professional who knows what they do. So as long as you're working with the right people, put trust in them, go through the process and see what happens.
And I've met many members of your team, not only you firsthand. You guys have a great group of people working together. I must say firsthand, I can attest, you guys are the best.
Yeah, we're passionate and we care, which is important.
That is absolutely true. Zach, thank you very much as always. If you guys would like a link to Home Point Financial to find out more about this, you know where you can get it. It's roadshow.com.